Good morning, everybody. Hope y'all had a safe few days of this crazy winter, man. Just got done getting some gas. I don't know if y'all can notice I'm at Delta Sonic. Came to get a car wash, but you can't even get a car wash. It's so cold. They got the wash shut down. So, but anyway, again, hopefully everybody had a safe, blistering cold 3 days. So, hope nobody got into no accident, no serious problems. Everybody car running smooth. The 200 is running good. It's been having the best pulls ever since it's been cold. Obviously, the 200 drives in my opinion, the 200 drives the best in the winter anyway. So, but it's so brutal in New York right now. Like, my whole windshield is cracked. I'm also making this video for people who didn't know that your insurance company should give you 2 claims a year for your windshield, which I did not know. I thought you had to come out of pocket for that, or it was at least a deductible. And I know my insurance deductible is kind of high. It's like $500 before they touch anything or pay for anything. So that's thing number one. So if you ever have a windshield issue like I'm having right now, just remember, if you have a reputable insurance company, they should at least do 2 claims a year so you can get that fixed. But it's my windshield is so bad right now, man. It started off as just like a couple cracks, but it's all the way up and around across the windshield. It's crazy right now, man. And literally that was from that 2 days of it being real cold outside, and I have no clue. The guy told me it was a rock chip, but man, I've been going so slow these last couple days, I don't even see how a rock could fly up, but it could have been from another car. Do y'all know I was going online and looking at quotes to get the windshield replaced, and they was talking $300, $400, and I'm like, what? For a windshield? Come on, man, it can't be that much. I'm assuming that's probably all labor, but how long does it take them to rip off a windshield, put some new glue down and slap the other one on there? It probably don't take that no more than an hour, man. So I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but MoparMayne on Instagram and Javon Stewart on Facebook. But I posted that Dodge is bringing the Sublime green color back to the Challenger and Charger lineup. Man, I've been waiting for this color to come back for so long. I think it was 2017 they stopped making it. That was the last time you could get one. 18 hasn't been, 19, there's been no 19s or 18s with that same color. And to me, that was like, if you want to stand out, that was like the best color, minus the Go Mango and the B5. Oh, hold on, another pull. Sublime 900 horsepower wide body, man. Come on, Dodge, get it. Just put it through, man. Just start the product line right now. Put it through, and we all set. That's all I need, man, is that all I really want is that Sublime color. But also, if you own any type of home, car, whatever, and you don't like going to the car wash, I just went to Harbor Freight. They have the power washer. It's like 1700 PSI. They have a power washer for like, I think it's 80 bucks. You can't beat it, man. It's 80 bucks. So, and it's on sale right now up until I think March, I want to say like March 28th. So I'm making this for you. I'm letting y'all know right now so that y'all got time to buy it. Oh my God, exhaust sounds so good. So y'all do have time to buy it, man. Y'all got about a month. Actually, I got about 2 months. It's February 1st today. Y'all got about 2 months to go get it. And it's a decent power wash. I watched a couple reviews on it. It's pretty strong, 1700 PSI. I mean, what else can you, I think that's the decent for like a basic power washer. So it does come with like a not very good foam cannon. So I would recommend going on Amazon and getting the foam cannon. I know the Chemical Guys foam cannon is really nice. I watched thousands of reviews on that because I wanted to buy their power washer, but it was too expensive. But other than that, man, just go on there, buy the foam cannon, get the soap and stuff. You'll be all set for under 200 bucks. I think that foam cannon is 20 bucks. if not more, $25. But you'll be all set. You'll have a real nice working power washer. Matter of fact, this is a power washer here. When it warms up, I'm gonna do a review on it, so I'll let y'all know how it is. But man, that's it. That's all I got for y'all today. Stay tuned for the video tomorrow. Mavis did some damage to the car, y'all, and I'm not pissed. I'm not upset about it, but they did admit to it. They did, you know. I mean, even if they didn't admit to it, I got pictures too of the car being on the lift. So Mavis did some damage to the car, and then well, I'll let y'all know what happened tomorrow, or what's going on with that situation tomorrow, because that need to be fixed ASAP. Actually, I'm kind of glad, so it could replace the plastic dip that I had on the inside of the skirt. So we'll see. We'll talk about that tomorrow, though. I ain't gonna give y'all too much in one video, so we're gonna talk about that tomorrow. Listen, y'all have a good day. It's the first. Listen, if your new year started off bad, February, your year just started today, man. So February 1st, man, start your 2019 off good. January is a trial month, y'all. That's we figuring out what we doing. We getting our shit together. It's a trial month. So listen, Happy New Year. It's February. Start your year off good, man. If you didn't know what you was doing up until today, good, because January was just a pre-trial, figuring everything out. So that's it, man. Y'all have a good day, man. I'm out. Peace.